Hey guys, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting day because I think it was last weekend I went to this beauty pop-up shop. It was a lot of fun. Girl, I don't know her name, but I'll put everything in my description box. If you guys are in the Florida area, you guys can check her out. She goes around to different cities and holds these little pop-up shops, and you can get really good makeup for really cheap. So I went with my mom and my friend Carrie, and we got a lot of good products. I did a little vlogging. They were really excited for me to vlog in there, so I did. So I'm here at this beauty pop-up shop. It's like for the weekend, but they have all kinds of different kinds of makeup and things. It's really cool that they're having this here. I found out about it on Facebook. And I will be creating a video so you guys could see what it was all about. Well, the fun, exciting thing is I got invited to come back and do makeup just to help people out with makeup. So I'm going to be doing that next weekend. That's going to be a lot of fun, and I just want to do it for more of the experience, not so much to get products or money or whatever. I just want to gain the experience of working with people and matching colors, helping people find their colors, and just helping them with whatever makeup needs they need. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm excited for that. So I did get some palettes that I will be doing giveaways with by Beauty Creations. And this is the Scandalous Glow set. Oh, this is the highlighter palette. So this is what the highlighter palette looks like. I'm not going to swatch any of these because these are all going to be for future giveaways. I'm going to be doing more giveaways. I'm so happy that I got to surplus 300 subscribers. I know to many people it may not be a lot, but to me, I'm really happy that I got to surpass 300 subscribers. So thank you guys so much, and I want to give back to you guys. I'm going to be doing a back to school giveaway probably, like I said, next week. I'm going to start it. Hopefully I can buy everything for it. And then, I don't know. We'll just see what happens. Oh, I want to give a palette away each month. So probably like in the middle of the month, I'll give a palette away. This is a Cali Sunset palette. It's a really pretty palette. These colors are really pretty too. And they weren't expensive at all. So yeah, this is the Cali Sunset palette. The colors in it are very, very pretty, like I was saying before. So that'll be for one giveaway. And so will the highlighter palette. And then I got Boudoir Shadows. This is another pretty one. This is very neutral toned. And the last palette I got was called Seduce Me. These colors are really, really pretty. Look at those colors. I think those are really nice. So yeah, you guys all have a chance to win one of these, and I'll just do more giveaways for you guys. So yeah, that was just a little bit of a few items that I got. Oh, I also got some more. The one thing I did though was to get more concealers because I needed more concealers. I like these kind. So I got a couple, and one is Nutmeg and this is Caramel. So I got two different colors because sometimes you need to get two different colors. You can't always get everything the same. And I did get that blush that I used, this matte blush. I think it's really pretty to have it on. This is in color Blossom. It's really nice. So yeah, that's everything I got. Oh no, I lied. I did get this glitter palette for myself. I'm still debating if I want to keep it or not, but it is pretty. I like the glitters in it. I like anything that's sparkly. So that is everything that I got in that little haul. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video, ring my bell, and I'll see you guys later. Bye everybody!